Welcome to this video guide on how to securely access your home security cameras from anywhere. We'll explore the technology and best practices to keep your system safe while you're away. It's important to understand that your video doesn't travel directly from the camera to your phone. The data routes through your home router and across the internet. Unlike AI-generated content, real video requires a secure physical path to your screen. To get remote access, you'll need specific hardware. At home, this includes your security cameras, an NVR, a stable broadband connection, a reliable router, and power. Away from home, you'll just need your smartphone with mobile data and the manufacturer's dedicated camera app. There are 3 primary ways to reach your cameras: using a manufacturer cloud service, setting up a home VPN, or using port forwarding with DDNS. We'll examine the pros and cons of each. First is the P2P cloud relay, which is the easiest for most users. Your camera and phone both connect to the manufacturer's server, which then links them together. You typically set this up by scanning a QR code. Second is the VPN connection, often considered the most secure. A VPN creates a secure tunnel from your phone to your home router, making your device act as if it's inside your house and hiding your camera from the public internet. The third method, port forwarding with DDNS, is an older approach that we do not recommend for beginners. It effectively opens a direct door in your router, creating significant security risks as hackers scan for such entry points. When comparing these options, the manufacturer cloud offers the easiest setup but medium security. A home VPN provides the highest security level, while port forwarding is difficult to manage and offers lower security. Keep in mind that your home's upload speed can become a bottleneck. Since home upload speeds are usually slower, we recommend using a lower resolution substream for remote viewing to prevent buffering and save mobile data. If you're having trouble, use this troubleshooting checklist. Check for power, verify your router's internet connection, test using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, and confirm your provider isn't using CGNAT to block access. Security is non-negotiable. Always change default passwords, keep your firmware updated, enable 2-factor authentication on your apps, and avoid sharing accounts by creating separate guest accounts for family members. For advanced privacy, consider network segmentation. By placing your cameras on a separate Wi-Fi network or VLAN, you isolate them from your personal computers, ensuring that a compromised camera won't put your private data at risk. For an ideal setup, connect your wired cameras to a PoE NVR and plug that NVR directly into your router. Protect your access with strong passwords, 2FA, and consider a UPS battery backup to maintain connectivity during power cuts. Remote access is convenient, but remember that network security is ultimately your responsibility. Keep your devices updated and stay safe online. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel.